Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. It's our first time coming across my channel. My name is Tammy and you're welcome to my channel. Today's video will be all about what we eat in a week. Yeah, so I'm going to kind of guys along with me as I cook meal prep or food prep. Yeah, so let's get started. As I woke up from my afternoon nap, so my people woke up with me and I was like, okay, let me get me prepared for the week. And yeah, she won't leave me, she won't let me be. She was just following me up and down. So I had to tell her to say hi. Yeah, so I was trying to prepare her milk so that I'll give it to her and she'll go and drink her milk so that she'll let me cook in peace. You know how clingy baby can be, so I have to attend to her first. Then I'll drop her in the sitting where I come back to the kitchen and get start cooking. I was like, okay, let me give you guys some dancing step. I really don't know how to dance, so let me warm up my body before I start cooking. All right, okay, let's go. The first thing I would like to do is to get my oven warm first before anything at all. And the kitchen is being arranged already, so I'll just take out all my oven plates, then I'll place it somewhere else. I'll get the oven on while I start preparing all what I have to oven at all. So in today's video, I will be cooking still, but it will be traditional still, like African Yoruba traditional soup. Yeah, so I'll be preparing still. I'll be making what's it called, turkey, fish, and rice and beans. So I got this aluminum paper the other day. I went for shopping, so I will place them on my pan while I on the oven. The first thing I always like to do if I want to cook is to get my protein ready. If you want to cook and you want that food, like you want your cooking to be so easy and fast, get your protein ready before you do anything at all. So I'm going to show you guys this recipe. If you want to make your fish, stop frying your fish in the oil or in your oil. Stop frying them with any oil at all. Use this recipe instead. So what I'll do first is to take out all the dirty away from the fish, but I'm not going to cut it. I'm not going to divide them into pieces. I'll just open up the back, then I'll take all the dirties out from the fish. So the same thing to the rest. I'm going to use 4 pieces of Titus fish. This is Titus fish. Yeah. I love to use Titus fish and whitening fish. Titus fish, the Titus fish is my second fish that I love to use aside whitening fish. So I'll just take all the dirties out, then I'll make sure that I wash them well. I've seen where some people use lime to wash Titus fish. I really don't know if it's necessary, but just wash your protein anyhow you feel like. So the next step I like to do is to put my habanero pepper, or you can use a bell pepper, and get my curry powder, my seasoning, my salt, my thyme, and my garlic powder. I'll pour it in the pepper, then I'll blend everything together. If you can be making your protein ready like this before you use it to cook your soup at all, you are going to be loving the taste of your food. Yeah, so the next thing I'll do is to cut my fish this way. I'm not going to cut it out, but just give it some, some touch so that all your seasoning, all your ingredients gonna enter your protein. Let me use this moment to say thank you once again for my subscribers. Thank you so much. Thanks for loving my videos. Thanks for sharing. I do appreciate you guys. And if you are watching my video, please, and you haven't subscribed, please join our lovely family. I promise that you always love it here. Thank you. So the next thing I'm trying to do here is to take all my blended seasoning to rub my fish gently. You don't need to rush. Just gently rub everything on top of your fish, rub it inside, let everything get inside your protein. Then you get a tray pan ready for your oven, not ordinary tray pan. Your tray pan from your oven, you take it out, add your aluminum paper, then you place it on top, then straight to the oven, and see the magic taste when you get it out. Remember to always on your oven first. Like if you want to prepare anything, like you want to oven something, especially protein, because it might take you forever before you get done. Make sure you on your oven down, like you can put it in 10 degree or 50 degree. Yeah, just let it warm. You get warm it first, then you get it ready. All right. The next thing I always love to do whenever I cut fish or clean fish in the kitchen, I always love to clean everywhere ASAP, because what's it called, fish can be so messy sometimes, especially the sink. So you have to make sure that you wipe everywhere away. I don't know if I'm the only one who love to do that. Like whenever I'm preparing protein, especially fish, I love to clean everywhere ASAP. So the next thing for me to do is to get my turkey ready. Of course, I'll surely take my turkey out, wash it well, and get it ready. I'm going to use the same recipe I used in making that fish. I'm going to use it for this turkey. If you have been watching my video a lot, you know that I love to roast my turkey this way. Like put all the ingredients with bell pepper, habanero pepper, onions, turmeric powder, garlic powder, ginger. Grind everything together. Then you mix it with your turkey. Then you get it this way. Like look at this, look at this. After you're done cooking like and cooking this turkey, I'm going to tell you something. You're going to be biting your tongue. Come and testify to me. So I've got it ready already, and I'm going to go on straight and put it in my oven so that it's going to get ready for cooking. Let me know in the comment section. Are you still frying your turkey, or you are ovening it, or you are air frying it? Let me know in the comment section. So as I was cooking, my baby have to come and meet me again. She need another attention. You see the way she's touching her head. That is to say, mommy, I need another attention. So the next thing I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to parboil my beans. Anytime I'm cooking my beans at all, I always parboil it. I'm going to show you what the water looks like. It's not enough for you to wash your beans and cook it straight. No, always parboil it this way. Look at the water. So I'll wash it off, then I'll put another water entirely. Then I'll take it straight to my fire and cook it. Yeah. So this is my pepper, my onions that I'm going to blend for my soup, or let me call it stew, because you can't use it to eat any swallow food at all. This soup is good for what's it called, yam. You can use to eat your rice, you can use to eat your plantain, you can use it to eat your ekuru, what that is ofu, right? You can use it for all those stuff aside swallowing stuff. So I'm trying to blend my pepper. Let me know in the comment section, when last have you had rice and beans? Like when last? So let's go and check what we are preparing so far. So this is my oven protein. Yeah, I'm trying to oven my protein, right? So this is the fish. Look at this. Just take a look at this protein. Look at the fish, and I will surely take the turkey from there. I'll take it up so that it can be get ready for us as harp, or get ready soon. Yeah. Anyone at home. So let me know in the comment section once again. Do you use to oven your protein, or you love to fry them? So I'll surely take off the head because the head have dried. Then I'll pieces my fish this way, because I told the guys earlier that this is for something like yam, like beans, like rice, something like that. So the next I'll do is to put my palm oil, my red oil in my pot. Then I'll surely add enough of onions. So this is for you to know that no, this is not for swallowing food at all. If you have yam right now, go and boil it. Let me send you this soup. Like this soup, oh my god, I'm not going to make mouth. It's so delicious. It is so yummy. Oh my goodness sake. I was just sitting, I was like, no, I don't want to have the same tomato soup. I was like, let me get another thing ready. Then I came up with this idea, or I come up with this idea. I was like, okay, let me come up with this. Then I prepared it as up. Then everybody, okay, yeah. So what I'm trying to add is my thyme. I'm going to add my curry powder. When I'm making soup, if I'm going to add curry powder, I'm not that satisfied. Yeah, I can still skip what's it called? Thyme, but it depends on the soup I'm making. You can't be making amala soup and put curry powder and thyme. Don't do that mistake. So I added my curry powder, my thyme, I added my garlic powder, and I'll turn it together. I added my salt and my seasoning, my Maggi. So I had everything, I turned it together. And I was trying to clean up immediately. Yeah, because I don't want to leave the kitchen so dirty. So we go back and check what we are cooking in the oven. Like, see this turkey. Tell me if they serve you this, are you not going to appreciate? Just tell me, let me know. Like this turkey, oh my goodness sake, it was so yummy. You know, when I was preparing this, everybody were coming to take it one by one. That's the problem I always have. When you are cooking, before you know it, it's almost finished. But I really don't know why I don't like to be tasting food when I'm cooking. Do I have anybody like that? Like when you are cooking, you don't like to be eating food, but I can give it taste, like taste it if everything's okay, if the maggi is enough, if the salt is enough, if it's already if it's done, like. So I love to do that, but me eating all the protein, I really don't like it. What I'm trying to do here is that I'm trying to take out all the aluminum paper from the tray pan. But I'm going to show you guys this oil. Like all this oil literally came out from the turkey. This is for us to know that we don't need to be frying our turkey or our chicken in the oil, because turkey and chicken already has a lot of fat. So when you fry it with inside the oil, you are putting another fat in it. So look at what came out from there. So yeah, you have to be oven your turkey. If you don't have oven or you don't have air fryer, take your fry pan, add a little bit oil in your fry pan, then add your turkey, add your chicken, cover it a little bit in a low heat. Then you get it done as sap. Like serious, it's going to give you the same thing as oven. You just need to be patient in doing it. So I'm trying to get my rice ready. You know that I told you guys that I'm going to prepare our rice and the beans cooking together. Yeah. But I would like to tell you guys something. If I want to eat rice and beans, I always like when they are well cooked. Like when the rice is well cooked with the beans, like mixing it being together. I'm going to show you guys what I really mean. So this is my cooked beans. This is already done. Mind you, before you let your beans cook, make sure that you've already added your salt. Like make sure you've add salt before you let your beans overcook this way. You can see that is already cooked. The way I'm pressing it, just cut like it was pressing. So that is how you know if your beans is well cooked. So I'm going to turn this together. Then I will let all the rice sit down and down the pot. Is it correct? Like I'm going to let the rice go down. Then I'll let the beans come up. You see the way I'm turning it. By the time I'll show you guys, we won't see any rice on top at all. Can you guys see that there's no rice? So the next thing I'll surely do is to add my protein in my stew. In my stew. You guys will be like, so you use all those protein because of this small soup? No, I didn't use all. I saved some. Like I really saved a lot from it. I just add a little bit of the fish, add small from the turkey, and yeah, you guys will be like, why my voice is like this? I really don't know why my voice has changed since. And let me say, it's not 3 weeks ago now, because during that last 3 weeks ago, I was under the weather and I was trying to get my voice back. The voice is not coming back. I'm not a man. When I say okay, because I'm growing, like I'll be. Oh, let me tell you guys something. My birthday is next month. Yeah, I wanted to say, is it because my birthday is next month? That's why I'm having voice change or change voice or changing in my voice. I really don't know. So next month is my birthday. Wish me happy birthday in the comment section. Yeah. Yeah, so we are almost done. I have more protein, like add more beef. Yeah. And check this out. What are you going to eat with this yummy stew? This is red oil stew, like palm oil stew. The next thing you like to do when you're cooking this type of stew is to add blended crayfish. Just add a little bit of blended crayfish after you've added your protein. And come and take me later. You can use this still to eat anything at all aside swallow, like fufu, like eba, like pounded yam. No, you can't use that for this. All right, so the next thing I'll surely do is to get my plantain ready. Yeah, this is my plantain. Yeah, I'm going to get it sliced, then I'll add a little bit of salt, mix everything together. In one of my short video, I prepared this plantain and I blended some pepper and I mixed together and I oven it. If you haven't checked it out, go and check it out. I give it a try. So I went to check on my beans. So this is how I usually love to cook my beans. Like I don't like it scatter. I don't like it when the rice is scatter, when the beans is scatter. If I want to eat beans and what's it called rice, I always let it be together this way. So I'll add my vegetable oil, then I'll fry my plantain. And see the outcome of that fried plantain. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my wonderful channel once again, please subscribe, share my videos out, please show me love, and I love you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah. So this is the outcome of our still. Let me know what you can use it to eat, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay well, stay tuned. Don't forget to love yourself, and bye.